Hey, good morning everyone and welcome to Womania. I am so much in a hurry right now as I'm leaving for Bombay and excitement ये है कि मैं ट्रेन से जा रही हूँ ये टाइम बहुत दिन के बाद I'm traveling by train and I'm already very late 6:30 का ट्रेन है and it's already 6:20 so I'll rush. I'll catch you all later. Bye. And I have reached the CST railway station now, and from here I'll be heading towards our room, get fresh and then plan out for the day. क्या क्या करना है, कहाँ कहाँ जाना है, क्या क्या देखना है. अभी पहले बाहर निकलती हूँ, बहुत भीड़ है यहाँ पे.
Once you reach the CST railway station, you can look for the hotels or dormitories nearby where you can keep your bags and also get fresh. And once you're fresh, you can move for your next destination. If it's your one-day trip to Mumbai, you can visit the places around Colaba. There are a lot of Indo-Sasanic architectures and shopping streets where you can spend your entire day, and in the evening you can move to the marine drives. The best mode of transport would be the local cabs, or else you can also go by walk.
Alright people, so I'm here right now at Colaba Causeway. So from CST I took a direct cab, a taxi to Colaba, and now doing some shopping over here. I'll take you through all the items that you get and also the prices of it, and I have heard that it's all of a very reasonable price. So just we'll have a look at it and let's get started. सारे 200
हाँ सारे कोई भी लो सेल लगे
Let's stop. 200. After bargaining, it is 350, and the original cost was told was 500. How much is this?
150.
151.
One. Two for 250.
So you're taking one or two?
I'll be taking two.
Okay, nice deal. Crack it. I got hurt. I fell down on the street. I'm not able to walk anymore. So I'm just sitting. I don't know. I have to go till my home. How am I going to go? But right now I'll just rest over. Enough of shopping for the day.
So I'm walking there.
I'm very hungry right now, so I'll be having some food at McDonald's over here. I'll have a burger and then again leave for the other things. And now we are at the Taj Hotel, the very famous Taj Hotel, Mumbai, and everyone knows what is it famous for. I did not have to give much information, but still just have a look at it.
Gateway of India, one of the most unique landmarks situated in the city of Mumbai. The colossal architecture was constructed in the year 1924.
What a view, man, but people have really spoiled it. Like पीछे जो दिख रहा है, that is the Taj Hotel, which we already know, and I am right now at the Gateway of India, and it's built so nice. The construction is really so good, but यहाँ पे जो भीड़ है and people are spoiling by throwing a lot of things over here, which should not be done and be avoided. I am in love with this trip.
Located at the tip of the Polo Bandar, the gateway overlooks the Mumbai harbour, bordered by the Arabian Sea in the Colaba district. All this busy day, we will be moving towards Marine Drive, and I'll just sit there and chill and experience the warmth of the sea. Come on, we have reached the Marine Drive.
Finally, this beautiful small trip to Mumbai has come to an end at the Marine Drive, and I'm really very happy. It was so peaceful and so nice. I really enjoyed this day, and just a very short trip of one day, but I'm having a problem with my feet. I don't know if you are able to see that, but I'll show it. The injury that I had got at the Colaba Market, the swelling of it is increasing, and now I'll have to do something to it, and I'll then have to get to home safely. Now I'll look after that, and thank you so much for watching this video. do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also follow my page on Instagram, that is Ankita Hinge 23. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.